Hey, welcome back to Binkerbelle's Yarning. Monday, Manic Monday, and we are definitely manic this week. There's so much going on. As you can see, I have piles of stuff for this week to go through. So first off, congratulations to our winner from the general giveaway. It was announced last week. She's gotten a hold of me and her package went out yesterday, so that's fantastic. Unfortunately, it is a civic holiday here, so the mail won't actually get picked up and taken out until tomorrow, but within 3 to 4 days you should have it. So for today, I've actually had several requests to add additional segments to my video series. So in addition to our Manic Monday discussion and our We Learn Wednesdays and our Fiber Fridays, we're going to do Tutorial Tuesdays. So on Tutorial Tuesdays, I'm going to do a tutorial of some kind. So whether it be a cowl or new stitches for you guys or something, it's going to be a tutorial. If there's anything specific that you want to see in that tutorial, on that Tutorial Tuesday, just leave a comment in the bottom there, and I'll definitely add it to the list. This week, our request comes from Nicole, and she wants to do more Tunisian stitches. So we're going to actually work on a combination of a Tunisian simple stitch with a Jacob's ladder. So we're taking something from the crochet world itself, which is actually a really interesting look, and adding it into our Tunisian projects, which is definitely something that's doable. I mean, between Tunisian and crochet and knitting, there's a lot of things that are interchangeable. So we'll be doing that. On Wednesday, we are going to be talking about traveling with our whips and chains. So that doesn't just mean flying with them, but we will touch on that, but also traveling in the car or to and from work, that kind of stuff. Nifty Things Thursday. Now this one I am going to have a ton of fun with. So every Thursday, I will present you something that I find is really neat. The whole point behind it is to get you looking outside of the yarn aisles in your local craft store. So visiting your dollar stores, visiting your flea markets, your secondhand stores, believe it or not, taking a look at hardware stores, which you'll actually see more of in the traveling with your whips and chains on Wednesday. But I want you to get out of the yarn aisles and into thinking outside the box for your accessories. Now, of course, I'm not talking straight yarn. We might do a little bit on fibers and stuff like that that you can find in different places. That'll probably be a little traveling bit where I'll take you on a shopping spree with me to local places. So yeah, anything that I find really neat that I can turn into crochet or knitting related, it'll be on Nifty Things Thursday. And every single Thursday, whatever it is that I find, you get. So I will give a giveaway every Thursday, or I will announce a giveaway every Thursday. And everything that I featured on the Nifty Things Thursday, I will draw a name through the random YouTube comments picker. And the following Thursday, I will announce who won the previous Thursday's giveaway. So that's a little bit of an incentive for you guys to keep turning in. And again, as usual, on Fridays we'll have our Fiber Fridays. At the end of the video, you'll see a little teaser photo montage about that. And this week we're actually taking a look at Marguerite and Red Threads. They're both Etsy shops and absolutely fantastic. So I will see you tomorrow for our new Tutorial Tuesday, and enjoy this teaser video for Fiber Fridays. We'll see you later.